your body has had its own transformation, you know, because you have to kind of fit in a certain shape for playing a certain role, or probably like, you know, gain certain, you know, weight and all. And how do you kind of manage that, you know,
Yeah.
over the years, and especially not only as an actress, when you kind of, you know, became a mother, our body goes through a lot of changes and all. How did you deal with
God, everyone knows my journey. That after I gave birth, I just put on so much weight because I was pumped with the hormones. I really, really had a rough time, uh, almost emotionally, you know, with postpartum at that time, really dealing with it. But that, of course, you know, the incredible part about monitoring sugars is that, you know, in front of me, I'll tell you, I have my own mother who's highly diabetic.
Yeah.
I have my mother-in-law who's semi-diabetic. And I have my husband who's really fit,
Yeah.
but he's also diabetic.
Okay.
So the interesting part is whether you're talking about me, who's not diabetic, thank God. How to manage sugar start from me being precautionary and taking the steps not to just randomly binge eat, to eat at the right times, to eat the protein and the carbs together, to just make sure that probiotics are going in. Just be mindful. So I'm at that first stage where I'm not even close to it. And then I have my husband, and I have my mother-in-law, and then I have my mother.
Yeah.
But the interesting part is whether we're talking about today as an actress, what all I did.
Yeah.
I did stupid things. I did fad dieting. I did the most nonsensical things that must have spiked my sugar. In fact, you know, praise to the fact that touchwood till now, maybe it's not affected me.
Yeah.
So having consistency and just understanding how to eat, it doesn't mean कि मत करो और इतना tight भी बैठो that something catches up with you somewhere else.
Yeah.
Have a balanced lifestyle, and I think that's what I've learned today after being a mother, putting on tons of weight, then losing the weight, and then seeing everybody around me struggle. I think the consistent balancing is what's important.